Are you struggling to manifest things in your life? What if I told you that one of the fastest ways to manifest anything in your life is to work backwards? I know that sounds strange, but that is exactly how the law of reversibility works. And once you understand this, this can help you manifest anything you want in your life. Let me explain. Neville Goddard said, if a physical fact can produce a psychological state, then a psychological state can produce a physical fact. The law of reversibility, it works both ways. A can produce B, but if you start with B, you can, through the law of reversibility, produce A. Think about it this way. If you were rich, if you were wealthy, if you had no money struggles in your life, would you feel confident? Yes, probably yes, you would feel confident. So how about starting the other way around, starting with feeling confident, having no money worries in your head, feeling like you were rich. Feeling is the secret. Neville Goddard talks about that all the time. You need to feel these emotions. And once you feel rich, feel wealthy, feel like you're not having money struggles in your life, that will produce wealth in your life. Or when it comes to love, how does being in love, being loved, how does that make you feel? Well, it would make you feel happy. It would make you feel confident, again, just like being wealthy, make you feel secure. It would make you feel safe. So how about working on those feelings first? Feel secure, feel safe, feel that you're already loved. Gratitude will go a long way towards that. Feel grateful for the love that you already have in your life if you want to have more of it. But feel happy. Being in love would make you feel happy. So start with happiness. Experiment. See if that will bring you more love in your life. Being in love would make you feel positive, less negative. It's all about mindset, right? So feel positive, feel less negative, and see if that attracts, through the law of attraction, see if that attracts more love into your life. Reality can work both ways. It's not just cause equals an effect. Start with the effect and it will produce the cause. Law of reversibility. So instead of waiting for success in your life in order to feel successful, start to feel successful first, and that will attract success into your life. It sounds so basic, but sometimes the basic, simple things are what works. Always think of the law of reversibility, and it can end your manifestation struggles. Here's 5 examples of how you can use the law of reversibility in your life right now, because this is the logical manifester. That's me. You need to be logical. You need to have action steps. So let's start with number 1, smiling and happiness. Very simple. When you're happy, you smile. So how about smiling even if you don't feel happy? There has been studies on this. If you put a pencil in your mouth, it kind of makes it look like you're smiling, and your mood will increase. If you put a pencil here and try to hold it, then you frown, and that will make you feel more negative, feel more pessimistic. Just the fact of forcing yourself to smile, it works. Try it. You don't need to feel happiness in order to smile. Smile first, and it will bring happiness into your life. It will release chemicals or something. There's a scientific thing that when you smile, these chemicals, and then it works. The law of reversibility. Start with the end in mind. I've already touched on number 2, how if you're successful, you will feel successful. You will carry yourself a different way. You'll have better posture. You will talk more confident. You will act more confident. So again, start with the end in mind. Dress for success. Talk like you're successful. Act like you're successful. Carry your posture, everything like you're already successful. breathe it, act as if, fake it till you make it, whatever you'd like to call it, and that will attract success into your life. I also already talked about number 3, but it is worth repeating about love and how it will make you feel. So start with the feeling first, live it, breathe it, just embody the feeling of love already, of giving love, but also being loved. Feel that already, and through the law of attraction, you'll attract it to you. The law of reversibility. A can become B so that B can also become A. The 4th example is energy. You want to have more energy in your life. Do what an energetic person would do. In my life, always in the evening after supper, I just don't want to walk the dog. I just don't feel energized. I don't want to do it. But I force myself to do it, and when I am out walking the dog, I feel so much energy. And then I come home and I'm energetic and I get things done. Act as if you're energetic and the energy will come to you. Act like an energetic person and you will start to feel more energy. And last but not least, the 5th example, of course, everybody is always interested in money and abundance. Not just success, we talked about that before, but money and abundance. Most of the time you think you need to have money first and then you will feel abundance, then you will feel gratitude for it. But how about you feel the gratitude right now? There is so many examples in your everyday life, especially if you're like me, you live in Canada or North America or Europe. We have an abundant life. We're watching YouTube videos about how to manifest our dreams. Feel grateful. Feel grateful for what you have. If you use a coupon at the store, feel grateful because that is a source of money for you. You are saving money, which means you are actually receiving money. Somebody buys you coffee. If a friend takes you out for dinner, be thankful for all the little things in your life that mean you have an abundant life. If you see money on the ground, pick it up and feel grateful for it. No matter how small the amount, feel grateful for that. That just shows that the universe is giving you more. You have an abundant life. Again, feel the gratitude and the wealth and abundance will come. A can produce B, but B can also produce A. It's the law of reversibility in action. Let's get logical. How are you going to put this into action in your everyday life? Ask yourself, how would you feel if you manifested your dreams? Everybody has different goals. Everybody has different ambitions. First of all, do you know actually what you want? Not just what you don't want, but what do you want? Be clear, crystal clear. And then how would you feel if you had that? How would you feel if you had wealth and health and love in your life and abundance in your life? How would you feel? What actions would you take? How would you talk? How would you walk? How would you carry yourself, your posture? That all matters. What TV shows would you read? What kind of friends would you have? What would you put up with in your life? All those things. Be crystal clear about what you want in your life. And then practice feeling that right now. Practice the mindset that you would have if you had that in your life right now. It's all a practice. You're not going to be perfect. I'm not perfect, but be consistent. Be disciplined and be consistent. Be aware of your mindset. Your mindset can produce your reality. And through the law of reversibility, your reality, of course, can produce your mindset. So make sure that your mindset is on par. It is exceptional, outstanding, phenomenal. Make sure you know what's going on in your head because thoughts become things. The way to control your reality is through your mindset. So when using the law of reversibility, make sure you visualize that time right before you go to sleep, that state akin to sleep that Neville Goddard liked to talk about. That is the best time to visualize, to think of, to make sure that you're in the right mindset in order to attract and be and have and do the life that you want. And then change the way you speak. Once you change the way you think, change the way you speak. You don't want to be successful. You are successful. You don't want to have wealth in your life. You are wealthy. The words you use behind I am is so powerful. I am. Insert whatever works in your life and live it, breathe it, talk it, be it. The law of reversibility, you can make it work for you. I know it. I guarantee it. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And remember that you are capable. You can do this. I have your back. You can do this. If I was your coach, your cheerleader, I know that you can do this because you are capable of it. You are enough. You are enough. You have the tools. You've watched the video now. Put these action steps into practice in your life. You deserve this. And above all else, know that you are powerful. You have the power to create your reality. So get to it and create the reality that you want. Manifest the reality that you want. Be a co-creator in creating your reality. I will co-create right along with you. Thanks so much for watching. I know if you've watched this far in the video that you'll also enjoy this one as well. And I'll see you in another video.